Ripe banana fritters. In Malayalam, Pazham Pori. This is a very tasty snack. The banana used for making these fritters in Malayalam, ethapazham or lengthwise. It is available mostly in all Keralites store. Try to buy the ripe one. If any black spot also on the peel, it is not a rotten one, it is a ripe one. Now, ingredients required: banana medium size 4. If it is big one, 2 is enough. Oil for frying, any refined oil or coconut oil. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. 1 pinch salt. 1 tablespoon rice flour. 200 gram maida. Sugar, 1 tablespoon. This is optional. If you don't want sweet, then no need of adding sugar. Now make the paste for coating by adding the rice flour, salt, maida, turmeric powder, sugar and water, and make a thick paste like idli consistency. No watery or not too much thick. Now peel the banana, cut it into your desired shape. Now dip each banana piece and deep fry. Cook it in a medium flame. When it becomes slightly golden brown, you can remove. This is not very crisp one because inside banana is there, but it is a tasty one. Very good for children also because nutritious ethapazham. It is a very tasty evening snack. You also try this delicious banana fritters. If you like my recipe, please press the like button and subscribe this channel so I can post more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching this video.